Alright guys, so today we're going to be working on how to analyze an expository prompt. So we've been doing this all year, but we're going to adapt it a little bit just so that you guys can do it on the computer. So I'm going to show you what I would do based on the exact same prompt that I'm giving you. I don't want to confuse you guys. I'm just going to go through the steps. I'm going to leave some things for you guys to do independently, but I just want to go through the process. So the first thing that I do whenever I get my prompt is I want to make sure that I read it very carefully. So I'm going to go ahead and go through that first. So it says, Grade 4, Writing Expository Prompt. Read the information in the box below. No matter how old we are, we can always have fun. Cool, so that's meant to inspire me. Let's go next. We have think. Think about the fun things you get to do as a 4th grader. Okay, next we have write. Remember, this is the big one. This is where your actual prompt lies. Write about one reason you like being in the 4th grade. Tell what you like and explain why you like it. Okay, so I'm going to go in, just because I'm on a computer, I can actually go in and label that as prompt. If I want it to stand out to my teacher, I can go in, I can pick any color of the rainbow I want. Let's go with a nice purple. I'm going to highlight that. Ooh, so pretty. Okay. So my first step is identify where my prompt is. Next, I need to figure out if they're asking me to talk about a person, a place, a thing, a character trait, what's going on. So it says write about one reason. A reason is a thing. So up here, I want to go ahead and identify that we are talking about a thing. Oops. And I'm going to go ahead and highlight that as well. So remember, we do this so we have a roadmap to know where we're going with this essay. Okay? So my next step that I take is, once I've identified the prompt, I need to go in and find my important words in the prompt. So let me reread it one more time. Write about one reason you like being in the 4th grade. Tell what you like and explain why you like it. So I'm going to use a different color this time. Let's use this gorgeous blue. So write about, one reason. That's going to be something important. So we're going to go and highlight that. One reason you like being in the 4th grade. Tell what you like. And explain why you like it. So we have explain. Why you like it. So like most 4th grade prompts, we have a lot of repetition in here, right? So we have one reason, like, 4th grade, like, explain, and like. Oh my goodness, they use like a whole lot. So what I'm going to do now is, before I go ahead and paraphrase the prompt, I need to come up with some synonyms. So I've highlighted my keywords here. I can do this just to make it matchy-matchy, because why not? We're on a computer, right? I'm going to go ahead and identify the words that I found. So, or the words or phrases. So I have one, reason. The next one I have up is like. I have 4th grade. I already did like. Okay, next I have explain. And last up I have like, and I've already used that one, so that's all that we have. We just have those 4 keywords. Okay. Now, you guys know the next step. I'm only going to come up with one synonym. I expect you guys to come up with more than one, because you guys have been doing this all year. But I just want to come up with at least one to make sure that I can show you one example of a paraphrase prompt. So synonym for one reason. So maybe I can say like an example. Example of maybe. Okay. Another word for like would be maybe like, I could say enjoy. And you guys will have plenty for like. Remember, you can also use your dictionary.com to help you out and make sure that you're on the right track. Fourth grade. So instead of having to say fourth grade, fourth grade, fourth grade, fourth grade until the cows come home, maybe I can say like this school year. Whoops. And explain, we typically use two of the same words every single time to make sure that we're specifying what we mean by explain, which is either going to be, I'll go and I'll put both, clarify, or explicate. Just for Mr. Heffernan. Okay. Anyways, like I said, I want to give you guys the freedom to come up with different ones for like one reason, like, and fourth grade. You guys are very creative. I know that you'll do a good job, but just so I'm able to show you an example of this, I'm going to just stick with these, okay? So my next step is I need to go and paraphrase the prompt. If I can put it in my own words, that means that I know exactly what it is asking. So if I'm paraphrasing the prompt, remember it's going to be copy, copy, switch, copy, switch, copy, copy, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and start it by copying, write about, instead of one reason, I'm going to put an example of why you, instead of like, I'm going to put enjoy. Actually, I can go in and highlight these as I go, just to make it a little bit clearer. Oops. Oh, should I use a different color? You know what, why not? Let's make it pretty. An example of why you enjoy. And copy, oops. None. Okay. Being in, it says this school year. Being in this school year doesn't really make a lot of sense, so that tells me I need to make a change. Instead of being in, I can say why I enjoy this school year. And that makes a lot more sense. Okay? Tell what you, and they repeated like over and over and over. And I could put enjoy over and over and over, but I want you guys to come up with more than just enjoy, and I don't want to model every single one. So while I'm going to repeat enjoy, I do not want you guys to. I expect this list for like to be pretty full, and you'll be able to use 3 different synonyms of like in here. So, so for me, I'm going to go ahead and put explain what you enjoy. I know it's so repetitive, but I want you guys to do better. Turn that off. And instead of explain, I'm going to say clarify why. So I'll highlight clarify. Why you, and they said like it, so, you know, just for the sake of leaving you guys lots of different, oops, I don't know why I'm doing that. Why you enjoy it. Highlight that. Cool. So now I'm going to read it, make sure it makes sense. Write about an example of why you enjoy this school year. Tell what you enjoy and clarify why you enjoy it. Like I said, I don't want to see the same 3 from you guys for like or enjoy, but just for this, I want to give you all the freedom. So I know that this basically means the same thing as this. They want me to talk about one reason that I enjoyed the 4th grade year. Now, after today, we're going to be working on our controlling idea and our conclusion, so it gives you guys a little bit of time to kind of soak in these thoughts and think about some of your favorite things that you went through in the 4th grade. Think about like field trips, maybe different things we did at school, times you spent with your friends, maybe certain projects you did in class, specials. Just try and get creative with it. Think about what really brought a lot of joy to your heart, okay? So basically what'll happen is after you fill this out, I will get a copy of it, and that's it for today. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I hope that this made sense to all of you. All right, see y'all soon.